How to use the law of attraction to get your desired score in JAMB 2025 and transform your life in the next 30 days. Now, what I'm about to share with you is one of the oldest and greatest secrets that just few percentage of individual inside know that they use to attract whatsoever they want or whatsoever they desire into their life. Have you ever wondered why few people attract wealth? You see them, they're called the billionaires in this world. Have you ever wondered why just few people in this life tap into their talent and do great things? Just and it's just like God selected those set of persons to do those great things. Do you know the reason why? Because they understand the law of attraction. If you understand the law of attraction and you use it to your advantage on a constant basis, now you'll be amazed on how those things you think that is very difficult to achieve, you find that you be amazed how you can achieve those things very fast. Just and this is one of the oldest secrets and greatest secrets just few percentage of people know. The law of attraction can give you anything you desire. It's called the law of the universe. The law of attraction is just like the law of what? Of gravity. The law of gravity says that once you fall from up, the force of gravity will act on you and you fall down, right? And there's nothing you can do about it. As far as you're in this earth, once once you go up, you must surely come down, right? And there's nothing you can do. That is same thing with law of attraction. It's work. It is in operation whether you know it or not. Now, some people don't actually know it here. So the law of attraction work against them. In this video here, I'm going to show you how you can use law of attraction to your own advantage. I myself have been exposed to law of attraction since 2019 when I read this book, The Secrets. This book here helped me to transform my life. After this book here, I came across this book here, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. This book also transformed my life. Then there's this book here that I read that's called Mind is the Master. It's a big book, James Allen. These are books that actually talk about the law of attraction and how you can use them to transform your life and get anything you desire in this life. Now, I know that so many students who have come across this video here don't know what law of attraction is. That is the reason why you need to watch this video to the end. I'm going to share practical steps you can use to apply law of attraction to your life and attract or get the desired grade you want. Just look at something here. One of the proof that something can be done is when somebody have already done it before. If you have been writing JAMB over and over again, you are putting all the hard work and you're not getting the kind of result you want, then this is your lucky video. Apply this to your life with your personal study, right? Those normal study you normally do. Apply it into it here and you see tremendous impact in your life. And if you have been writing JAMB over and over again, this should be your last JAMB because this secret I'm about to expose to you. Just I myself have witnessed how the law of attraction works. This is the reason why I'm exposing it to you. How you can use the law of attraction to get your desired JAMB score and transform your life in the next 30 days. So make sure you watch the end. Put that every single thing here. I'm going to walk you through all the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Just all my videos are in steps so that it's just like a way for me to watch order the video for you to be able to apply them. Just so let's get into it. So before I start sharing with you how to use law of attraction to get your desired JAMB score in JAMB 2025, now let me make this big announcement. Yes, let me make this big announcement because some of you don't know. I'm sorry about that. I didn't announce it. Now, registration have started for JAMB 2025 class, and we are going to start the 3rd of January to start your preparation. Just so it's a group class, and the fee is 7,000 naira every single month. 7,000 naira every single month. Do you understand? So I take maths, chemistry, and physics. So if you want to be part of my class, we are going to take you on, like, going to take you for the JAMB class. Then send me a message that you want to be part of the class. But I'm going to give discount to about 50 persons. The first 50 persons will pay 4,000. Just once I exceed my 50 persons, the price move back to what, to 7,000. Now this is what called private group class. I also have my private one-on-one class. So I want to teach you privately one-on-one. Just so my phone number will be on the screen so that you can start learning. You cannot learn this law of attraction without taking your personal studies serious. Now with the law of attraction and your personal study, there you are going to see massive improvements in your life. Just when you combine the two of them together. So if you really want me to be your tutor, if you want to coach you for now to your JAMB examination, then join our private group chat. Just the first 50 persons will be paying 4,000 naira every single month. After getting my 50 persons, then the price moved back to 7,000 naira. And for those of you who be interested in my private one-on-one, you can also send me a message. Then I'll tell you the price for that. Just so how do you use law of attraction to your advantage? How do you use the law of attraction to get your desired JAMB score and gain admission into the department of your choice? And to use law of attraction to your advantage is what? Step one is decide exactly what you want. Make your intention clear to the universe. Now the law of attraction will respond to your clarity of what you desire. Now the problem with so many students here that who are writing JAMB is that they don't know exactly what they want. Just they don't know exactly what they want. So for the first time in your life, I'm asking you, what do you want as a student? What do you want as a student? Which university do you want to go to? Which JAMB score do you want to get? Which course do you want to study? Now you need to be crystal clear. You need to be crystal clear of these three things. And I can tell you, 95% of students are not crystal clear. Although they are going to class, they are reading the past question and the rest, but they are confused. They don't know exactly what they want. If you want to use the law of attraction to your own advantage, is to state exactly what you want. Now, the universe is asking you, just like God is asking you, what do you really want? Just like God is asking you, my son, what do you want? And you're roaming around. Remember, when God asked Solomon what he wants, he said he wants wisdom, right? Because say what Solomon knew exactly what he wants. Now, as a JAMB student, what is your desired JAMB score? Write it down. What is your desired JAMB score? Write down. What scores do you want to study? The universe work with your clarity. So that is what number one. Write exactly what you want. Decide exactly what you want. Is it 280 you want? Stick to it. Not that today you say you want to score 280, tomorrow you say you want to score 200, next tomorrow you say you want to score 350. At the start of the exam preparation, some students will stick to 300, have to score 300. Later, because of how complex the stuff is and the way the JAMB syllabus is very bulky, they now change to 200. You are very, very confused. That is the reason why you are not achieving your desired score. Do you understand? So students will feel medicine and surgery. You understand? Now, when after writing their JAMB, they will change it. They are not stable. They are not crystal clear of what they want. So for the last time I'm asking here, under this step here, what do you really want? If it's 350 you want to score in your JAMB score, now put the JAMB score that you believe. Just put the JAMB score that you can actually believe in yourself that you can score. Just know that you're not going to put 400 and later you're not doubting yourself. Just put this JAMB score that is believable to you. Just and stick to it. No matter what, no matter how challenges you go, you always tell yourself that this is my JAMB score I want to get. This is the best. This is the score. This is the what course I'm going to study. Just crystal clear and stick to it. That what step number one. Get clarity of what you really want in your life. That is what first step of using law of attraction to your own advantage. Do you understand? Let me move towards step 2. Step 3, see yourself as although you have already achieved that JAMB score you desire and generate that feeling. Imagine that you have finished writing your JAMB examination, right? Imagine that you finished writing your JAMB examination and you have seen your JAMB score. And imagine that you now score 350 in JAMB examination. Now let's assume that it's 350 you targeted, right? Imagine now you can look at something. They say that imagination is the workshop of the mind. Now before anything can be created, it must first of all form in your imagination. Now anything at all, over the plane that fly, the cell phones, every single thing, the mic I'm using, this pen, this laptop, that phone, everything here. Now it was not in existence when God created this life, when God created this world here. How did it come to reality? It's through somebody imagination. Someone have already created these things in his mind. That is why he said that someone who can use his imagination can achieve anything he desire. Do you understand? So for the first time in your life, I want to teach you how to use your imagination. I want to teach you how you can use your creative power to generate the feeling you want. Do you understand? Look at something here. We have two minds. We have called conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is what you use to do so many things like think and the rest, right? But your subconscious mind is the main thing that actually what determine how your life will look like. Now, your subconscious mind cannot differentiate what is real and what you imagine. It does not have that power. It is your conscious mind that know what is real and what is not real. But your subconscious mind does not know anything like that. As far you think it, your subconscious mind will believe it. And whatsoever your subconscious mind believe, it will process and start bringing it into what reality. I know that this may not sound familiar to you because you don't already know this here. Most of you you are not student of the mind, so you can actually understand what I'm going to say. So that is why you want to save this video, come back to this video again, so that you can start working on your mind. What I'm giving to you now is I'm working on your mind. I'm working on how you can use your mind to get what you want aside of your hard work. Just so look at something here. Imagine yourself getting that 350. How do you feel? Just imagine that for once in your life here, imagine that okay, I have written my exam result, I've written my exam examination, and after 1 week, JAMB have sent me my result and I saw 350. For once, imagine it. Just as for once, play it as a movie in your brain. Just and generate that feeling. Now, here's the magic here. When you generate that feeling, this is where the law of attraction work effectively. Just think of it. And I want to give you step by step on how you can actually use this thing here. I want to give you 30 days tasks on how you can use this law of attraction. Do you understand? So step 2 is to what? Is to like have the feeling that you already achieved your desired JAMB score. Do you understand? Have the feeling that you already achieved that your desired JAMB score. Emit that feeling. See yourself that you have already achieved it, and generate that feeling, that joy, that imagine that you have gained admission into the department of your choice, right? How are you going to feel? That happiness, that joy, you have to emit it. Do you understand? For once, do that. Do you understand? That was step 3. So now let me start teaching you how you can use the law of attraction. So here are 2 things I want you to do in the next 30 days. Now, these things will take only 10 minutes or 15 minutes highest. You understand? Now, you have to do one. You have to do it before you go to bed. Then, when you wake up from bed, you have to see do this activity. Do you understand? So you are doing one activity before you go to bed in the night. Then, when you wake up, you have to see do this activity again. So now, this is what we do here. Before you sleep every night or before you go to bed every night, this will take 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Close your eye and see yourself already in possession of what you want. See yourself getting that your desired JAMB score. This will work like magic. Do you understand? Do you understand here? So before you go to bed, close your eye. Imagine yourself already getting that JAMB score, and say to yourself, I scored 350 in JAMB in 2025. Just see yourself already getting that JAMB score. Just so before you go to bed, imagine yourself already getting that JAMB score. Just then drift to bed. Now, what you have just done here is send this signal to your subconscious mind. Just you are sending signal, you are sending information, you are programming your mind to get that 350. Just so that you what first activity you have to do. So before you go to bed, every single night you have to do this one here. Just another thing what I want, another thing I want to do, so write your desired score down. Just you write your desired score down, which I want to explain to you. The next thing is what, when you wake up, before you do anything, always say to yourself that I am happy and grateful that I scored 350 in JAMB 2025. So when you wake up from bed, now before you do anything, do what you say to yourself. You say this positive affirmation to yourself. I am happy and grateful that I scored 350 in JAMB 2025. I don't know when you come across this video here, but if you come across this video when after JAMB 2025, understand that it work even after JAMB 2025. It's a universal principle that works. Do you understand? So that's what you want to do here is that I am happy and grateful. I am one of the most outstanding students in JAMB 2025. So now this will work for you and help you to get the score you want. Just so these are the two things I want to do every single day. Then after you have done this here, then go to your class, read your notebook, and do the lessons you are doing. Just and this will be of great help to you. If this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. For those of you who want to join my private online class, you can join my private online class. The first 50 persons will take only what 4,000. After the first 50 persons, the next person will pay 7,000 naira every single month. All these videos is helpful. Leave in the comment section if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.